why is it not available to the public, Dr. Sudha? Because this
Yeah.
is a public issue, and why is it
Yeah.
not available to the media?
Yeah, that's what is necessary is available in the situation report. You can have it there.
No, the age categories of the
Yeah,
infection.
age categories that we have that are time to time published it, right? We have given it so that because that this is actually that we are dealing with the pandemic, that we are working on that. That at the same time that we are doing these things, that we are using this data for control of the disease.
It has not been
So
controlled. The disease has not been controlled. Now see, the third wave has come, and we are having 1,400 infections as of yesterday. So we have failed. We have failed. All the clinicians are saying that we have failed. So what is it? And I have another question. Was the epidemiology unit told that there could be a new variant on April 8th? And what did they do about it? Give us
Yeah.
some solid answers, Dr. Sudha.
yeah, I very much appreciate if somebody talk unemotionally, because this is not this is an forum that educated people are.
This is an
So,
emotional forum because people are dying, Dr. Sudha.
So
and
that
we are the ones who are taking the message to the public.
that emotional will not serve any purpose, right?
And why
So
don't
that
you answer the calls when we call you?
that we are answering the calls, that we are getting hundreds of calls on a day, so that we can't call that at the same time that sometimes I get 2 calls.
Okay, so answer.
then
Very
in the-
unemotionally. Were you all informed on April 8th that there was a problem in Gurlastonga? Were you or were you not informed? Please answer
Yeah.
the question.
Yeah, that's a stop. That is, there were that not even before that there were cases with the strop gene. So with that, there is that we were from the beginning that we are doing that disease control, that measures that we were taking, and this is that if you see the global scenario, that you can see that how this virus is behaving and what is happening. So it can't be something different in the Sri Lanka, right? That we were doing that maximum possible things, that is to control the disease and also to identify the cases and the quarantining. Those processes are going on, and that was in place, that our the control strategy.
දැන් අද අපිට කියන්නේ අර්බුදකාරී තත්ත්වයක්, crisis situation. So why couldn't have we been more alert on April 8th?
ඒ තත්ත්වයට
The problem is don't shoot the messenger, Dr. Sudha. That's not the way to go ahead.
No, I'm not
Because we are just asking you,
Yeah.
was there an indication that you all knew on April 8th? What action was taken? Now you're not letting us to go back to the public and tell them, be careful, be careful, be careful. අස්සයා පැනලා ගිහිල්ලා ඉවරයි. Then 1500 ඊයේ මේ figure එක. ඉතින් කොහොමද මේක justify කරන්නේ? Justify කරන්න බෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි හරියට precaution අපි කොච්චර හොඳ වුණත් එකෙන් 10ක් වුණත් then we are sliding like India. Next week you all will tell us there is no oxygen, there is no ICU bed. Can be a predictive model.
මේ වගේ අපි මේ වගේ අවස්ථාවකදී ප්‍රෙඩික්ට් ලෝකේ මේ COVID-19 වසංගතය පටන් ගත්ත වෙලාවේ ගොඩාක් ප්‍රෙඩික්ටිව් මොඩල්ස් ගැන කතා කළා. නමුත් මේ වසංගත මේ පැන්ඩෙමික් එකේදී ප්‍රෙඩික්ටිව් මොඩල් එකක්වත් හරියටම ගැලපුණේ නැහැ, ගැලපෙන්නේත් නැහැ. මොකද මේ තත්ත්වය බොහොම රැපිඩ්ලි වෙනස් වෙන නිහින්දා. මේ වෙලාවේ අපි කරන්නේ වර්ස් සිනාරියෝ එක. නරකම තත්ත්වය આવොත් මොකද්ද කරන්න කියලා ඒ වර්ස් සිනාරියෝ එක පිළිබඳව ඇසෙස්මන්ට් එකක් කරගෙන ඒ තත්ත්වය තුලින් අපි කටයුතු කරන එක. එතකොට එතෙන්දී අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙන ඇදම් ප්‍රමාණය කොච්චරද? කොච්චර පරීක්ෂණ කටයුතු කොච්චර කරන්න ඕනද? ඊට පස්සේ අවශ්‍ය ඖෂධ සහ අනිත් ප්‍රතිකාර කොච්චර ඕනද? ඒ පිළිබඳව ඇසෙස්මන්ට් එකක් කරගෙන ඒ පිළිබඳව යම්කිසි විදියකින් ඇස්තමේන්තුවක් කරලා ඒ தත්ත්වයට සූදානම් වීම සඳහා සහ ඒ தත්ත්වයට සූදානම් වීමේදී මොන පියවරයන් වලදීද පළවෙනි පියවර මොකද්ද දෙවෙනි පියවර මොකද්ද කියන එක පිළිබඳව කරලා තමයි ඒක කරන්නේ. ඒ සමස්තය සෞඛ්‍ය අමාත්‍යාංශය විසින් සිදු කරනවා.
How many ICU beds are occupied? Of COVID, of non-COVID? How many? Let's talk figures.
මං ගාවේ ඉලක්ක නැහැ. ඔබතුමා ගාව තියෙනවා නම් කියන්න පුළුවන්.